Hey yo gang, what's poppin'? What's going on guys? Me Justin here. Hope you guys are having a great, fantastic day. What's going on? We're bringing you guys a brand new video. I'm hyped. You know I'm hyped. Letter alert. But guys, today we're gonna be reacting to Dude Perfect airplane trick shots. It's not out at the moment as I'm recording this intro. It's coming out in 10 minutes. I hope. But yeah guys, it's gonna be hopefully pretty sick. I'm gonna catch it up when we're about to react. Alright? Let's go! Alright guys, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
This is the triple hoop loop-de-loop. Coming at you, Codes. Ready?
The triple hoop loop-de-loop. Oh, that was pretty lit, not gonna lie.
Plane to the chest!
Dude Perfect.
Alright, Dude Perfect.
What's up, guys? We're Dude Perfect. Welcome to Airplane Trick Shots. Here we go!
Here we go. That's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Does it have a real airplane basketball shot, like out of a plane? The Limbo Lander. Huh. That's pretty cool. Not gonna lie.
Loop and land. That
Garrett's wearing glasses.
is awesome.
Like me, dude.
Pilot tie coming at you from the top level of
Pilot tie.
DPHQ2. As you can see, I have fastened an extra sharp pointy device to the nose of my plane because I've got a blind balloon downstairs in the kitchen.
Oh.
And this is the blind balloon buster.
Oh, it's gonna loop around. Oh, that's sick. Huh. That's sweet. On the big hoop.
This shot right here is about to be so lit, fam.
So
I'm just
lit,
kidding.
fam.
Supposedly that's what the kids say these days. Anyways, this is just pure savage.
That was pretty cool.
I get a lot of credit for doing the trust shots. I have done some trust shots. I'm a little nervous about it. I have a plane with a death device on the front of it to pop this balloon. I hope there are no bloopers on this.
If you get this one, people are gonna like. They'll like the video if you get this shot.
I appreciate that, guys.
Okay.
We all do. This is the no-looking looper.
Oh, he did it. He did it himself. Oh. Oh, whoa. Okay, that was really good.
I survived. I mean, come on,
No
huh?
doubt.
If there's a blooper on that. Alright, hit the gong.
Speaking, we no longer have any wings.
Got our modified plane, a couple wingtip adjustments, and we're gonna go for a barrel roll. This is the barrel roll bomber.
Wow. That's a big balloon.
That was amazing!
Bad Cat, this is Speedbird. I've been hit. Immediate evac. Going into enemy territory. My hook's deployed. Pull your shooting, I'll save you.
Oh, it's getting intense.
Truth is, that went a lot differently in our minds. He was so much safer floating down in his parachute. This is the airplane boomerang.
The airplane boomerang. Wow. The fact that they do it themselves is actually pretty cool. A lot of balloon ones.
Ladies and gentlemen, here at DP, you might just want to start referring to us as rocket scientists because
Rocket
we have had another
scientists.
breakthrough in technology. Number 2 pencils on the wings, ready to bust bottles.
Wait,
Here we
what
go!
is it? What does a number 2 pencil do?
This is the double bottle busting laser shot. We are bringing you innovations that have never been seen before.
Oh, that's cool.
This is the banking gonger.
The banking gonger. Oh, go. Go. Oh. That's sweet.
This is the twin spin. Here we go, Core.
The twin spin. Wait, what? Hello? Wait. Oh! That was pretty cool.
Headed to the top. And when you need something delivered to you quick and fast, you call the Dude Perfect Express International Swisher. It's go time.
Oh. Wow, it like tipped the floor. Alright guys, well that's it for this reaction. That was actually that was way better than I expected, honestly. I don't know why I expected less than anything crazy. But that was really cool. The one where Kobe threw it and it came back and hit him in the head with a balloon, that was the best one in the whole video, in my opinion. But guys, the link to this video will be in the description below. If you guys want to see the last video, the link will also be in the description. And yeah guys, we'll see you later. Peace out.